You're watching Sierra Janae. Let's go.
So I wait for my cue. So tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way. No other way, other way. Tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way. No other way,
Hello, gorgeous people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sierra Janae, and I'm back here with a brand new hair care tutorial. That's right, I saw that you guys really liked my last video, which was I haven't straightened out my hair in 2 years, curly to straight hair tutorial, and I will link it up here in the eye right here. And today I will be showing you a brand new hair care tutorial, which is my dry to moisturized summer hair care tutorial. So let's get started. Let's roll it. And the featured hair products I will be using on my hair today is the Aussie Miracle Curls Hair Care Collection, which I purchased from Walmart. I have them all here in my hand, and I believe they were $4.97 each for each product here. And you can also find the set on Amazon for $12.97, and they also have a collection set on Walmart for $38.05. And I will also be linking all of these products down in the description box below, so be sure to check these products out at the end of the video. Okay ladies, we know it's the summertime and we're trying to stay hydrated, drinking plenty of water, but we still have the question, why is our hair dry and frizzy? Like, what is the problem? So your girl did some research. So I did a Google research, and basically curly hair is prone to getting dry and frizzy because our scalp, it makes a natural oil, which the natural oil sometimes doesn't always go from root to tip. And so basically this could be because we use a shampoo that has sulfates and dyes and parabens, and we don't want to use all that yucky stuff. So it's best to switch to a co-wash or a shampoo that doesn't have any of those parabens and dyes. We don't want that. So, or even use a conditioner that's very creamy, or use leave-in conditioner. So that would be perfect for our hair to stay moisturized. So now it's time to take off the bun-in, and I just want to show you guys how dry my hair has gotten. Look at this. I can't do nothing with this. Why is it so dry? Why is it looking like this? What's the issue? Like, boo, get it together, okay? So I washed my hair a couple of days ago and also used a deep conditioner, and still my hair is dry. Like, I don't understand like what's going on here. You can see, you can tell your hair is dry when you have lint growing in your hair. Why is there lint in my hair? I'm moving on to the number one step and key step to keeping our hair moisturized is water. Water is the number one moisturizer for our hair, and I'm just going to spray, dilute, saturate this water all over my hair and just make sure that it's getting from the root all the way down to the tip, and you will see that right now. Now it's time for the second step. So now that I have my hair locked and all moisturized with water, for the second step I will be using the Aussie Miracle Detangling Spray infused with apricot and Australian macadamia oil. And wait a minute, sis, we cannot forget the wet brush to brush out and detangle my hair. So this is what I will be using. Just really like this wet brush. It's very stylish. Picked this up at Walmart as well. So let's get started on detangling. Wow, this stuff is truly a miracle. Look how it has really helped detangle, and I was able to comb through my hair just really smoothly, and look how shiny it is. Like, look at my twist, you guys. Oh my goodness, this stuff really works, and it smells incredible. It smells so good. You can instantly smell the apricot, and that hint of macadamia oil is giving your girl some shine. Now moving on to step 3 for some more added moisture. I have here the Aussie Hair Assurance Leave-In Conditioner, and it's infused with Australian jojoba oil and sea kelp. And we're just going to spray this on my hair, and since I have it already parted, it will be easily just to spray and massage onto my scalp.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you.
Now to turn up the volume on a little bit more moisture and detangling and getting rid of those nasty knots, I picked up the Aussie Miracle Curls Leave-In Detangling Milk with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. And this is what it looks like up close as well. And for a little bit more added oil, I'll be using some castor oil. I'm not going to use the Jamaican black castor oil because it's sometimes just kind of a little bit too thick and it weighs my hair down, so I'm not going to use this one this time, although it's my favorite. But I will be using a new castor oil that I picked up at TJ Maxx for $4.50, which is the natural Wonderz castor oil hair serum, and this is what it looks like up close. So I will be adding these two at the same time, and you will see that right now.
Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close, oh babe. We'll do you good, cause I'm golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours. Worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close, oh babe. We'll do you good, cause
You guys, using these two on my hair made my hair feel so much more moisturized, as well as my scalp. It feels so good. And I just put some more of the castor oil on my scalp and on my ends just to make sure I'm getting that full and total moisture. So definitely go find this at TJ Maxx. You just have to really look on the shelves, but I really love these two together. Now for the fifth and final step, we said we did not want frizz, right? So I have, in the next product is the Aussie Miracle Curls Frizz Taming Cream with coconut and Australian jojoba oil, and I love this, and it smells so good. It's sulfate free. All of these products are sulfate free, so that is clutch. And the next item I have here is the Aussie Miracle Curls Curl Defining Oil with coconut and Australian jojoba oil as well. And this is what it looks like up close. Now let's try these two on together. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so shook. Look how hydrated and so healthy my hair looks. I'm so excited. This is really doing my hair some justice, you guys. It really did a miracle on my hair. I'm just really shocked right now. And keywords, moisturized. Looks so shiny and healthy. So definitely go pick up the Aussie Miracle Curls Collection. It's working wonders for your girl head. Now I'm just gonna let it air dry for about an hour, and then after that I'm gonna take it all down, and then we're gonna do some styling. Okay ladies, so the hour has passed. It is time to now take down my hair just to see how moisturized and curly it has gotten. And also I will be using the Eco Styling Gel, the olive oil version here. And also the Elle by Smooth Intense Frizz Taming Serum by L'Oreal. So I have my comb, my brush, and also the edge control brush. We cannot forget that, okay? So I have all my styling tools, including my gel and also Frizz Taming Serum. So let's get started on the styling. Wow, already look at this. Look how pretty this is. We don't want to mess this up, but look how juicy my hair looks. My goodness, you guys, look at my hair. I'm so shook right now. This, I love it. It's bouncy, it's healthy looking, and it is healthy, and it looks amazing. It's so moisturized and soft, and it really smells good. Definitely go pick up the Aussie Miracle Curls collection at Walmart, or even pick it up on Amazon. This is definitely doing something for me. So now I'm going to get into some styling.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
Now I'm just going to take my comb and just pick out my curls all over. Not too much because I don't want it to frizz, but I'm going to show you the reveal at the end.
You do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
And there you have it. I hope you guys have enjoyed my dry to moisturize summer curly hair care tutorial. And I hope you want to see more like these. If you do, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. As always, I want to leave you guys here with some motivational, inspirational quotes. And the quote of the day is, but before I read you guys the quote, I have a scripture here, and it's from 1 Corinthians 11 and 15. But if a woman has long hair, it is her glory, for her hair is given to her for a covering. And yes, God has blessed us with our hair, and it's best for us to wear our hair as crowns. God gave us hair, long hair. It is our crown. It is our glory. So I'm so thankful for my hair growth journey, and how healthy my hair has gotten over the years. And just over the past months, I've been taking care of my hair and making sure I'm keeping it moisturized, as you see in this video. And now we're going to get to the quote. The quote says, I am a queen crowned in my curls. Be proud of your naturally curly hair. So definitely be proud of your naturally curly hair. Don't let nobody tell you or dull your shine. Don't dull your curls. Keep those curls healthy and just be positive and take care of your hair. And if you like what you see, continue watching me. That's your girl, Sierra Janae. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye.